So you're thinking about moving to San Marcos? Well, in this video, we're going to check out a new construction neighborhood called La Cima in West San Marcos and focus on Ashton Woods. We're going to get after it right now. Hey, Daniel here. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. Be happy to help you make that smooth move to the San Marcos area. And if this is the first video you're checking out, please check out some of my other videos. I have many on San Marcos. This is a great spot to move to. A lot of people are looking at this because there's so much inventory, low property taxes. But yeah, if you're not quite sure, if you're just kind of looking at the Austin area in general, and you want to see other videos, other areas, I do Georgetown, Round Rock, Lake Travis. I go all over the Austin area. So definitely check out one of the other videos, and let's jump into this one. So like I said, we're in La Cima. The street I'm on right now, these are all Ashton Woods homes. I'm going to kind of walk around here so you can get a sense of it. We do have some workers kind of working up ahead, so the sound might get a little weird, but it's all good. So Ashton Woods offers homes in the high 300s to mid 700s in La Cima. There's no other builder that does the low 300s, so that is a nice thing. And we're going to see a couple model homes in a minute, so you can kind of get a sense of what they have there. But why am I walking backwards? Okay, how about I walk like this? Here we go. But just, I want to make sure you can see the houses that Ashton Woods has. So we have this nice white stone exterior and then some lighter red brick. They do a good job, Ashton Woods in general, of design choices. And so their homes all look very different, which is, it's rare to see that with new construction homes. You can look over here to the other side of the street, and we have kind of, this white look. All of these are two-story homes, so you get a sense kind of what this area is. All brick, some stone on some of them, but these are all brick that we're looking at right now, front-facing 2-car garages. And the incentives that Ashton Woods are offering right now is they have about 6 to 8% in flex cash. So what that means is you can use that to pay your closing costs, you can use it to bring your interest rate down. They're offering a 3.99 interest rate, so if that's what's kind of stopping you right now, then definitely check these out. They have ways for you to get that interest rate down if that's kind of your barrier for finding a house right now. But big homes here, the models look amazing. And so yeah, let's go check out the model home so you can get a sense kind of the floor plans that are available here. So the first model home we're checking out is in the low 700,000 to mid 700,000 range. This is their Avalon model. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath, and then you can do upgrades if you want a 2 or a 3-car garage. So let's go check it out. So not really a front porch, I have an entryway. Looks like we have luxury vinyl plank flooring, office space to the left, and then we have this dining area to the right. Over here to the left, we have kind of a mother-in-law suite, so full bathroom over here, and bed. This is a massive open, I didn't say this at the beginning of the video, it's 3,059 square feet is the total for the Avalon model, so pretty massive house. That leads to the garage. Here, the kitchen, the walnut cabinets, built-in oven, 6-burner range, massive sink, lots of space, lots and lots of space. I mean, obviously it's over 3,000 square feet. Off the kitchen, you have your utility room, but again, just a ton of cabinet space, storage. You can put a fridge in here. You rarely see this, so you kind of have, it's a sink, but just kind of a fancy sink slash small shower to clean anything you need to clean off. Your boots get dirty. Here we have kind of a Jack and Jill situation. So first bedroom, then we have a shared bath, second bedroom. Really well designed. I kind of skipped this, but They have these wood beams along the ceiling. It's a really cool look. And then you have your typical kitchen, but then you have space over here. You can use kind of a working desk area, and then more space over here too. So tons of cabinets. And then over here is the master bed and bath. So master bed, that wood look beams on the ceiling again. And it looks like they have built-in speakers also. Again, just an upgrade you can choose. Massive, massive shower, 2 entrances. Yeah, very well designed. I think Ashton Woods is known for their design choices. It's very nice. Then kind of the built-in shoe rack here. And then every lot will be different, but let's see what this backyard looks like. So you have the stackable so that's great, kind of seamless transition from the back patio to the living room. And then looks like we have built-in grill in the back. Massive, I mean massive back patio. And then of course the back, will be different based on the lot that you pick, but this is a 70-foot lot that this would be in. So yeah, this is a huge 4-bedroom home, but it's pretty high. It's in the, like I said, mid 700s. So let's go check out their other model home that's actually listed in the 300s. Okay, and that's pretty rare to find in this community. So let's go check that one out. So the other model home we're gonna check out from Ashton Woods today is their McKinney model. And as I said, this one is starting at the high 300s. With all of the upgrades, you're probably looking at the low 400s at the end of it. But I like the brick exterior and the stone, kind of the mesh of both. Usually it's one or the other when we have houses like this. Small front patio. As you can see, you have the keypad lock. So nice wide open front foyer area. We'll go upstairs last. Again, they have their luxury vinyl plank flooring. It's my preferred type of flooring. I think it's extremely durable and water resistant or waterproof. I right now have tile, and I wish I had went with a luxury vinyl plank. It's just the grout can get dirty, can chip. LVP can feel like wood and is extremely durable. So I'm a big fan of the luxury vinyl plank. Okay, so we walk right into the living room space. Lots of natural light coming in, which is great. All of the, the wainscot, the stuff they'll put on the walls, that's all, that's not gonna come with the home. So whenever you go into a model home, you see that, just be aware. That's them just looking real fancy. Probably isn't even an upgrade you can get. It might be, but most builders won't even add that in. Okay, decent sized lot. So the reason this is a cheaper house is the lot size will be smaller. This is their 40-foot lot. So meaning the size of the land, or I should say the length from front to back of the land. So your yards will be smaller in the 40-foot lots versus the 70-foot lot that we started the video looking at. Okay, it's not just because it's a smaller home. So back here, you have your utility room. And then we have our master bedroom. And you can get built-in speakers again as an upgrade into the ceiling. Large carpeted closet. And then you do get a garden tub and a shower, which is pretty good for a home this size. I don't know if I said that at the beginning, it's 2,081 square feet. 3-bed, 2.5 bath. Here we're going to our kitchen. We have the nice built-in oven, built-in microwave, decent amount of countertop space. I like this look of the white and the black handles. And then this is our garage. Kind of have your mud area. You have a half bath here right off of the garage. And then you have some storage underneath the stairs. All right, let's go check out upstairs. Nice wooden banister with the metal rods. I really like this upstairs. It feels extremely open. So you walk up and you have these open banisters and you can basically see everything from here. So you have your landing, decent sized landing, opens into an office area that's not carpeted. It's a good job. And then you have your 2 rooms, bedroom 1, bedroom 2. You can see pretty decent size. You can fit 2 twin size beds in here pretty easily. And then their shared bathroom. So good sized rooms. You got the office space too. And for living in this subdivision, La Cima, it's pretty rare to find something in the high 300s, low 400s. So yeah, pretty good price. If you're interested in seeing more of this, feel free to reach out. You know, it doesn't matter if you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days. You can give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. Happy to help you find that house for you in San Marcos. Until next time, hope to see you around town.